So let us look into the topic lines parallel to the same line. Now, if two lines are parallel to the same line, will they be parallel to each other? That is what we have to check. So let us draw a transversal T for the lines L, M and N. It is given that L is parallel to M and L is parallel to N. We have to see whether M is parallel to N. So therefore, let us write the given information. Line L is parallel to line M and line L is parallel to line N. Therefore, from this given information, we can write that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because since line L is parallel to line M, these form a pair of corresponding angles, and since line L is parallel to line N, these form a pair of corresponding angles. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So this information is written based on corresponding angles axiom. Now, based on this information, we can write that angle 2 is equal to angle 3 because angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 1 is also equal to angle 3, and therefore angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Now, since these are equal, they form a pair of corresponding angles. So angle 2 and angle 3 are corresponding angles and they are equal. So since angle 2 and angle 3 are equal and they form a pair of corresponding angles, from the converse of corresponding angles axiom, we can say that therefore line M is parallel to line N. That is, the converse of corresponding angles axiom states that if a transversal is drawn such a way that it meets the two lines wherein the corresponding angles are equal or a pair of corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel to each other. So this is written from converse of corresponding angles axiom. Now, from this result, the following theorem can be stated, that is theorem 3.6. It states that lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. So the lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. So we saw that line L was parallel to M, L was parallel to N, and therefore M is parallel to N. That's what we proved, and this is the theorem. Now also note that the above property can be extended to more than two lines. So if there are more than two lines, this property applies.